be transpose now ang Ramal given gawin natin. Okay, meron na tayong i-transpose. So, ito na gawin natin. So, we have number 3, negative 1/2 A plus 2B transpose. Okay, is equal to, so multiply natin si A na negative 1/2. Okay, so ito yun. So that is negative 1/2 times 4 negative 150. 8 plus 2 times B transpose. From B transpose. So 2 times 1, 2, 4, and then 6, negative 1, 5. Okay? Now, gagawin lang natin, i-distribute natin itong number na sa bawat matrix. So, we have negative 1/2 times 4, that is negative 2, negative 1/2 times 3, that is negative 1.5, tapos negative 1/2 times 1, okay, 0.5, negative 1/2 times 1, negative 0.5, negative 1/2 times 5, negative 2.5, negative 1/2 times 0, okay, plus, so ang ito naman, isipin natin, sabi diba, 2 times 2 ay 4, 2 times 2 ay 8, 4 times 6 ay 12, 2 times negative 1 ay negative 2, and positive 10. Okay? So, ito natin gagawin, kung mayroon natin, since parehas na po ang ating matrix, solution ka na 0, negative 2 plus 2, 0, negative 1.5 plus 4 ay 2.5, 0.5 plus 8, 8.5, negative 0.5 plus 12, 11.5, negative 2.5 plus negative 2,